Alright, I have this old pair of Fisker nippers. And let's take it out there, but see this? See the handle, how it turns with the squeeze. I never really got used to that, and I don't like it. I don't like this design. That's why I bought a new pair. I thought I would get used to it, so I kept them, but I never did. I'm pretty hard on my tools, so screw Fisker. You're getting fisted. These guys, they own a racket. Anyways, don't get these. These suck. See? Here you go. Okay? You don't like that one? Alright, I'll take you out. See? I'm not the only one that doesn't like that. Here. You want that style, don't you? Yeah. See? It ain't just me. Listen, I don't have a problem with Fisker. I just need a simple, easy peasy pair of clippers, pruners. This is pretty good. So, if you're gonna go and get a pair, get something like this. Much more bang for your buck. Happy pruning.